Guys, my name is Omar and I'm a co-founder of Home Charging. We are the team of EV enthusiasts and home improvement professionals who came together to solve the problem of home charging for millions of US households. Every day, thousands of people search for ideal home charging solution. With multiple options available out there, it becomes an exhaustive search process to understand the technical jargon, compatibility, and strengths of each product. Finding an experienced installation company could also be a deal breaker. Understanding your home's energy requirements and making an informed decision around the installation process can take up from a few phone calls to a few site visits. And we have not even talking about the best price for a buck. This home charging installation project can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $6,000 if a panel upgrade might be required, and navigating the rebates, incentives, and utility landscape can also be much needed financial assistance. In fact, the research shows that 49% of people are not even aware about those incentives, and we are here at Home Charging are laser focused on saving every dollar for our client. Start your home electrification journey by visiting omp2p.com and get your installation quote in 5 minutes instead of hours of spent doing yourself. Thank you very much.